We are still stuck in Louisville for work, so today we are actually going to tune the sailboat and take the sailboat out with Marvin, the chum with the bottle of rum. So you get to meet Marvin today, and we get to play with the sailboat, because if I'm stuck here, we might as well play with all the toys. So I gotta finish a little bit of editing, and then we are gonna go play in the river because the wind should be up. So if I'm here, we might as well have some fun. Alright, so we just finished lunch. This is the chum with the bottle of rum, Mr. Marvin.
Hi, I'm Rum.
Yep, he's rum. We are in the van, headed down to play with the sailboat that I talked about earlier. Catalina 22. The river here is small, so a nice slow boat makes it a little bit bigger to use. And don't worry, my phone or my camera is static. I am not GoProing and driving at the same time. So we're headed to the gas station to get a little bit of ice, some Gatorades, maybe an adult beverage or two. So we'll see you at the river. Bye. All right, here we are at the sailboat dock. We are gonna go tune a rig. The chum with the rum is getting the cooler together and all his fun stuff. So I'm gonna let him carry that down. I'm gonna go down and start tuning. I'm gonna set it up and let you all watch the magic happen. I might speed it up on the video, but here, well, we'll walk down. Marvin, do me a favor, grab the GoPro batteries. They're up top. So we'll walk down, let y'all see how we enjoy a sailboat here in good old Louisville, Kentucky. Surely is not the Keys. That is for darn sure. And as soon as work allows, we'll be back down in the Keys fishing, because crystal blue water is so much better than this chocolate milk crap. I would rather run a motor in salt water every day than this chocolate milk crap. And that's the best word I have for it. So here we go. We're walking up to her. It is the not a dime, because that's what she costs to run under sail. She's messy and she's dirty right now, but over the next couple days I'm gonna get her tuned and ready, and we're gonna get a nice clean sailboat. See you on the flip side. Alright, so I got you set up so you all can watch how tuning happens. You should be able to see everything. Might be a little stretched out. Alright, so tunage is with the luge gauge, and it's just an arbitrary pull device that shows us what we're doing on it. Need the Marlin spike to turn a couple tools. how much of that you all saw the tuning. The battery died. Yay, GoPro, your batteries last forever. So you're gonna notice something from the Key West. My 63 CV, I have the same transducer on both boats, so I just swapped the head unit back and forth. Pro tip for saving money when, you know, falling on a budget. So we're gonna get the boat all set up and get moving and check back in. All right, well you got, oh, what is that?
Equinox chair.
Oh, I've been looking at that for dried tortugas. I'm gonna need that on the kayak trip, which will be a video coming up. Hopefully.
It's gonna be fun.
If we survive.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Yeah, if we survive.
If we survive. All right. All right. I'm gonna let the camera roll and just watch you all see how much a sailboat can be a pain. But I'll bleep that out later. Whatever. It's not just drop it in the water. You got crew you got to deal with that's useless, totally inept, doesn't know what they're doing. See, like the wind's blowing and Marvin's not even ready. Not even ready. Do me a favor.
Yep.
Tip that camera up so it can see the main. Please and thank you, sir. And smile. Ladies, he's single. And rich.
Oh, it feels much better out here than it does in that cabin.
Yeah. Are we using Skittles or what are we using?
I'd say, you want to do the self-tacker and we'll just do an easy cruise?
Goodbye, Skittles. You all will see Skittles another day.
Or if we don't move, you'll see Skittles today.
Yeah, no kidding. Y'all get a good view? Yeah. There's the main up and ready to roll. Wait for Marvin to tell me he's ready to shove off.
I think we're ready to shove off.
Alright, so we're gonna first
Organize. I'm gonna organize some lines.
I'm gonna fire up the motor. That is so beautiful.
That is one solid.
One solid little Johnson two-stroke that fires on every pull. We're gonna unhook you, pull you out. That is the most awesomest little two-stroke motor I've ever had. It starts, it runs, it does everything but fill itself up with gas. So we're gonna get you back on the normal mount and get out of the dock. Alright, and we're pulling out of the dock. First time of the year. that told me to slow down because I was making a wake earlier is still out on the dock telling me to slow down, because sailboats don't make wake, kids. They're too damn slow. So you may hear the motor, you may not. The wind's blowing right now. We are in irons, which means the sail ain't gonna do nothing to go flop, 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 flop. And so I'm gonna play music. It just goes down. I'm gonna play music over the rest of it. Enjoy the journey out. Not who's on first, what sail?
Try to tack her?
Let's try to tack her. Get it to me. You'll take the helm and I will get her going. Alright, you grab the stick. Got her. Don't hit the bridge.
Yeah.
One land. I think I need to drink Sarah my cup. Brand new from Target because we are fancy.
You want the light green or the light blue?
Boat is set. You see all the lines running everywhere straight to the cockpit. I can run this thing all by myself with no hands or no crew, just a bartender. Bartender slightly required on sailing. It's yachting. Playing with the sailboat still.
To introduce him to Jarvis.
Chum with the rum. Oh, our co-pilot is Jarvis. This is how the boat is steered. Hello. So Jarvis, aka a Simrad TP22, drives the boat most of the time when we don't feel like pulling with it, which is a lot of the time until it's time to tack. So speaking of tacking, we're going to walk you through a tack. We have the self-tacking jib, so the jib will tack itself. There is no pulling of sheets. It is Memorial Day weekend, and there's a lot of idiots that should not have a boating license because they don't understand that sailboats have the right of way. That's right, turn away. I'll have to bleep that out. We got boats everywhere, big boats, little boats, and none of them know how to drive a boat. So, back to sailing. Like I said, we'll take you to a jibe. Let's just see how it works, and then we'll go back to sailing. Again, chum with a bottle of rum. Let's jibe, turkey. Where'd the wind go?
Almost directly behind us.
Yeah, it shifted again. Some shifty wind. We'll catch you later. One jerk cutting across the river. Oh, here it comes. Get ready, Marvin. Hang on. Don't lean back. The camera's trying to see the wake. Come on.
As you can see, that wake just leads our speed.
Yep. Takes the wind right out of our sails. It is Memorial Day weekend, and the idiots topped off their boats after not touching them for, oh, probably Labor Day. So they get a whole 4 days a year of driving a boat. I do my best to be on a boat 3 to 5 days a week.
Everybody's going for fish sandwiches.
Oh, stuff show. A lot of bleeping.
While avoiding the sandbar.
Yep. Yep. While avoiding the sandbar is not a problem. It's avoiding all the idiots that are showing up for microwave chicken fingers. Oh wow, look, the great food migration continues behind us. All right, Marvin, you gotta take the camera. Come on.
Keeping in mind that this channel up here is all of what? 75 yards wide?
If that, 75 feet. Oh, we're in wing on wing. Or we're in the druthers, so I gotta tack real quick. Oh, we're starting to lose wind, aren't we?
Yeah.
Putting it in?
No, let's don't. I want this to clear out before we try to get through there.
Alright.
I think we still got some wind. We just have to change our heading. I can play ball with that.
Alright, so it was a cluster. You'll see some of the mess. Vanadidime is way down there and tucked away. It is feeding time in Louisville, which causes a grand migration of everybody that can't drive a damn boat to come to the docks and then rev their engines and leg hump each other until they get a place to park to eat a crappy fish sandwich. So we're gonna go back to the house, find something to eat. I'll get this video up. We'll give you a shout later. Oh yeah, back at the damn it van, because every time it breaks I say damn it.